We've done a lot to the spreadsheet so far, the very basics, charting, conditional formatting, and of course protection. Now what we want to do is vLookup. If we go to the test, you can see that vLookup is an option under the often under the credit level area. The Footscray Star Bicycles want to pay each one of their particular sellers a bonus. The bonuses are given depending on their sales, and it's outlined here. These figures here are our logic. What we need to do is to convert this into logic in a spreadsheet so they can actually understand it. So we go over here to the spreadsheet. I've actually set up the heading. You'd need to do this yourself. This will show the gross revenue, and these will be the triggers that will change to a different bonus rate. You usually start with a 0, and we're going to do that in both columns. What we want to do now is have the first trigger. It's $12,000, and it will going to increase the bonus rate to 3%. The next trigger is $20,000, and it takes it up to 5%. The final one is $30,000, and it takes it up to 8%. We need to name this particular area. You highlight these figures. Notice that I don't do the headings, and you go up here and name this one. We'll call it bonus table, and notice that I don't actually put a space in. We now need to call it in our actual calculations. This is the existing commissions. We need to insert a column. We'll call this column bonus commission, and we now need to call it through. So we use a function for that called vLookup. We are going to look up based on gross revenue, so we click on H4, comma. We want to look it up in the bonus table. There it is. We want to return the second column, which is the bonus rate, so that's going to be column 2, and we want to use an approximate match. If we used the exact match, it would only change on the exactly 12, 20 and 30,000. So we actually use true, and that's it. Notice that I'm still in dollar format. That's fine. I'll change it temporarily to percentages so you can actually see. Now what we want to do, the problem is that this is actually the bonus commission rate rather than the bonus commission. So let's actually work out the bonus commission. Go to the first cell, and we want to multiply it by the gross revenue. So it's H4, there you go, and we copy that down. I went and changed it to percentage. I now need to change it back to $sign. These are the amounts that will be paid to each one of these particular companies based on the sales for gross revenue. This is going to be, because they're 56,000, they're over 30,000, therefore they're getting an extra 8%, so they'll be paid a total of 13%. The problem is our net revenue is now incorrect, so we really need to change this. So we go over here and we need to add the both of those together. Put a bracket in front of it. So H4 equals I4 minus I4 plus J4, and make sure you have that in the brackets. There you go, and we'll pull that down. This will actually give us the new figure. We've now calculated the commission, the bonus commission, and the net revenue. Just to outline to you, you could actually do this different ways, but this is the way that I've just done it in this particular example.